Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you how to use Sniperoo on GMGN. In my previous videos, I already showed you how to use Sniperoo, how to install it, how to log in using your Telegram. You can use either the Telegram or your Gmail or email address, but I prefer to use it to log in via the Telegram. Okay, and once you click on it, you'll be redirected to this page where you'll be automatically logged in using your Telegram credentials, right? So then after, what you have to do, you have to go and add the extension here is on the Chrome store, right? Remember, this is a Chrome based platform, so everything what you'll be doing on the Chrome. So now, once you installed your extension, those little pop-up buttons will automatically appear on GMGN, not only on GMGN but also on Dex Screener. Okay, so it's very handy to have those buy buttons here next to it. Okay, you also can see them here on the GMGN, Axiom Pro, and also on the Dex Screener and NovaBots. They also, the guys are working very hard to actually implement those, right? So those changes, which is quite cool. But today we'll be focusing on those GMGNs, right? So it's very easy. Okay, you can do the buy here by clicking right away on the buy button, right on the platform. Okay, but if you don't want to do it and you need to do some research on the let's say on the coin itself, okay, you just need to simply click on it, and once you click on it, okay, this Sniperoo widget will automatically pop up. All right, and then you do some presets. Okay, you can do edit. Okay, and you can change the presets. Let's say that you want to do 0.02, okay, 0.01, and then you can do all those presets for the buys and also for sales. Okay, and once you are happy with everything, you just click save, and that's it. You can just simply click on it, and you buy this coin right on this GMGN button, right? So the GMGN platform, which is quite cool. Same with the Axiom, right? Same with the Dex, right? And NovaBot as well. There is and and others. So the guys on the Sniper, okay, team, they're working really hard to make this these applications to go alongside with the other with those trading platforms. Okay, so I think this is quite cool because you don't that the speed is very crucial in those type of trades, right? So once you click on it, okay, on the right hand side, you will see that Sniperoo widget here. You can buy it from here, click on it, there you go. Or you just simply click here, and then you can buy from this widget here, or you also can go inside right hand side, this extension, this Sniperoo extension, which will be, by the way, following you all the way to the end of this Chrome extension session, right? So unless you go and close it down, or you just close your browser or completely, you will see that one here on all the time, which is quite cool, because if you you do some sort of trade, and you will have this trade visible here for you on the right all the time. So let's say that you put some position here, okay, let's say that you are here, right? So, and then you're just saying like, okay, this might be a good entry point, okay, for this particular coin, and you want to buy it. Okay, you click 0.01, for example, 0.5. It really depends of yourself. So guys, before I move on further, just to make sure that you understand, this is not a financial advice. Whatever I'm saying here is only for educational purposes. Okay, so I'm just showing you technicalities here, and also just educational. I'm not saying to you what you need to invest in. It's really up to yourself. You have to do your own research. All those assets are very risky. Okay, so yeah, so once you get into this, you will see those Sniperoo positions here. Okay, and those Sniperoo positions quite handy. Okay, because it doesn't matter which platform you'll be using going forward. Okay, this will be there with you. Okay, so you can do some research, you can do it into the text. Okay, you can even watch some YouTube videos, but you will see those open positions here for you all the time. Okay, so that's quite handy. So GMGN, I said, like, it's there for you if you want to use it, if you still use it. I know that so many people actually moved out of the GMGN into the Axiom Pro, but there doesn't matter. Still, some people are there, like, this platform has 8.4 million visitors, on a monthly basis. Okay, significant drop from 20 million back in January, but look, everything dropped back from January because, as we all know, for example, here on the Axiom, on the DEX screener, there was a 40 million people visiting DEX screener back in January, and now it's only 15.3. But what's the reason? Okay, back in January there was really a peak of this, bull run, bull cycle, crypto bull cycle, especially when we are talking about the meme coins. People are actually trading meme coins so heavily, so there was so much of volume coming in, right? So that's why every platform actually lost some traction. Doesn't matter when it comes to those type of meme coin tradings, because doesn't matter which platform you're gonna use. They're also back in January, if the platform was still there, there was like significant number of people, larger number of people using that platform compared to today. So don't look into that into this that way, okay? But I think that Axiom Pro actually did a very good job, because they introduced let me see how many people are using this platform, 7.8, but look, since January, okay, so they're actually on the rise, in comparison to others. Like, when you go to the GMGN, they losing the amount of people using the platform. Here on the Axiom Pro, they going really up, okay? So actually they started at the time when the bull run was over, but they are still on the rise, okay? Why they are still on the rise? Because the functionalities they are actually offering to their users are much more significantly, they are easier to use, okay? So the user much more user friendly. More people actually preferred using this platform because you had all the information in one place. For example, like a pro holders, okay? That's really pro traders, really important information. How many pro traders are inside this trade, for example, okay? Holders, how many people, that DEX page, I think that they actually on GMGN they actually put some sort of information when it comes to the DEX, if there was paid or not, because obviously if the platform has paid for the day for DEX screener, okay, means there is a signal that they actually have funds and they will have some additional plans for this product, okay? So many people consider it as a bullish sign, okay, and they actually more willing to invest inside that trade, okay, if they see that it's been DEX paid, right? For example, this one, okay, it looks like it's been DEX paid, okay, and look, so 2,295 holders with 670 pro traders. Pro trader, basically with smart money wallets, okay, people who are actually trading a lot and trading successfully in most cases, right? This is my understanding of this mention of a pro trader, okay? But that's quite cool, because on the Axiom Pro we can see it here, while on the other platforms I don't see those type of informations here, okay? So they still a little bit behind that. I don't know if they're gonna plan to introduce that functionality, but it would be very handy if they could. Or maybe I just missed where is that saying here, okay? It's just, when it comes to, maybe because I'm using Axiom Pro more often, I just got into the interface of this platform. But when it comes to the GMGN, yeah, they're a little bit behind, okay? And but doesn't matter, you can still do some trades on it, okay? And as I said, Sniperoo, it's there, like, okay, you can go and implement these trades right away from the Sniperoo app. And you can, let's say that you find something on GMGN, you just click on Sniperoo and you can buy it, you can sell it, and then you move on into some research on the DEX screener. Remember, this position will be here on the right hand side all the time. And let's say that you're approaching some profitability level, or you see that you're losing money too quickly, you can go back and see what's going on the chart, or you can just decide to close this right from the app, right from the widget, right? So yeah, guys, I think that's all what I want to cover in this video. If you might have any questions, just leave it down below inside the description of this video. I'll be leaving the link to both Sniperoo, Axiom Pro. I don't know if I have a link to GMGN. I might have somewhere, so I also will link that there, in case if you guys want to check it out. And as I said, like Sniperoo, it's a really cool tool, okay? They have a very nice Discord channel, okay? People are very helpful there, you know, very friendly atmosphere, so you can always reach out to devs, you know, and the people who actually are looking after the, you know, the like moderators on the Discord, and they are always there help, happy to help you, right? So once again, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Any questions, leave it down below, and if you can subscribe to my channel, we much appreciate it. Thank you very much.